What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove a song from your Instagram post that you have posted before. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your Instagram app. After going to your Instagram app, you have to go to your profile like this. You have to click on your profile. Please make sure you watch the full video to solve your problem to delete your music from your post. So what you need to do next is find your post to you want to delete the music from. I'm going to delete this post. Here you can see there is already music added to this post. What you need to do is click on this three dot bar icon. Okay. After you have to click after you have click on this three dot bar icon, here is an option edit. You have to click on edit. Here you can see there is no option for music deletion or music change or music removal. So what you can do, you have to go back and you have to click on this three dot bar icon again. Then you have to click on delete. Then you have to click on delete. So after deleting your post, you have to repost or post again your photo without the music. So this is the only way to remove the music from your photo. There is no such way to remove the music from your photo in any way. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.